Okay, welcome back to Camfilter Central, and this is demo 2, and in this demo I'm going to focus on the camera and color panel. I might jump around a little bit, but I'm going to explain how to utilize Camfilter GPU to go from your regular webcam like this to more like something like this, which I think is much nicer than this. So we'll go back and forth. So this is my normal webcam. I don't have any lighting in front. It's pretty dim, and we transform it to that. So I'll show you how these controls work in this panel and how to work with OBS. We'll start in the neutral or raw video stage, and first I'm going to describe the camera controls, the subject body image controls, and the background controls, and then I'll go on at the end to talk about setting up with OBS. We'll set these all back to a neutral position. I'll just go ahead and do that. Okay, so here we are in basic neutral. If I hit the bypass, you see that it's about the same here. And what we want to do is bring out the foreground because there's no front lighting. And so we'll start with the subject, and I'll just start moving up the subject brightness. And we'll have to turn off bypass and turn up the subject brightness some. That looks pretty good. This is so easy once you get started. And let's take the background and turn that down. And that really accentuates the video. It makes it stand out. And that is your first step. You can start manipulating the various different sliders for the full camera hardware and also the background. You might want to turn the contrast all the way down, or you might want to turn it up, I don't know. And saturation down all the way. If you turn it all the way, then you get your full background removal. And you can turn it back up to whatever. And that is about it. It's pretty simple to go from this, and then there's our original, and here's what we're looking at now. There are also a histogram. You can pop up your histogram and change the scale so you can view it, and you've got your FPS display up here. And you can start doing things then like blurring the background, and I will jump into backgrounds a little bit. I have a background already loaded. I can apply a background here on the backgrounds tab. The blur is on, so let's turn that off so the background's sharp, and all these various things that you can do. And next I just wanted to briefly talk about working with OBS. It's very simple with Camfilter GPU. All you have to do is turn on your OBS spout 2, and instantly the zero lag output from Camfilter pops up in OBS. Let's turn off that histogram. All you need is this Spout 2 plugin, which is very simple. All you have to do is download it from the Spout website. I put it on the instructions, and then drop a folder into your OBS plugins folder, add it with the plus button, and that's all you need to do, and it'll just pop right up just like you're seeing it right here. Okay, that's it for demo 2, I think, and next demos I'll be looking further into the backgrounds and the creative enhancement and the other tabs too. All right.